Why you don't want?
Now I don't like Winston food.
Why?
Don't know like sometimes I like. Today I like Annie. See the vegetarian food, you see? Vegetable food.
Oh, yeah lah.
QR one.
A lot of people buy. Wow, so big leh. Take some lah.
Right, right.
I have a lot of French fries.
Hmm.